Astronomers weren't expecting anything unusual. Just another deep sky scan of the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. But then, they saw it. An object moving too fast, reflecting too little light, and most importantly, behaving like nothing they'd ever seen in that region. At first, they thought it was a rogue asteroid. Maybe a fragment from a long-dead collision. But the trajectory didn't fit. The rotation was irregular. And it wasn't tumbling randomly, it was shifting, almost deliberately, like it was stabilizing itself. Within days, observatories around the world locked on. Telescopes in Chile, Hawaii, Spain, and orbit all pointed at the same small, silent enigma drifting quietly in the darkness. Its size? Roughly that of a football stadium. Its shape? Unclear. But radar imaging shows smooth surfaces and sharp edges, which is extremely rare for natural objects in the asteroid belt. One researcher at the European Southern Observatory said bluntly, "This thing doesn't behave like a rock." Before we go deeper, ask yourself, if you live for this kind of quiet mystery unfolding millions of miles away, don't miss a beat. Subscribe now and join us as we follow stories the mainstream media hasn't caught up to yet. It's now been cataloged, temporarily, as 2025 QX1, but that label doesn't explain anything. There's no cometary tail, no mineral signature they can easily identify, and, most puzzling, its path is slowly adjusting. Not dramatically. Just enough to raise eyebrows. Enough to make people wonder, is it drifting through gravitational influence, or is something more complex happening? Some astronomers suggest it could be a fragment from an unknown planetary body. Others whisper about probes, about relics, about technology, the kind that predates us. No one's claiming it outright. Not yet. But the silence around it? That's what's making the scientific community lean in closer. Because sometimes, the most important discoveries don't start with answers. They start with a question floating in the dark, between Mars and Jupiter. And this one has only just begun.